Well, jury selection now underway in Donald Trump's hush money trial. Legal experts say the search for fair and impartial jurors could be challenging, considering the case's polarizing defendant.
With us now to tell us what each side will be looking for is a jury consultant, Leticia Ostler. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I think first of all, the news from today, more than half of the first batch of 96 sent home excused after saying that they couldn't be fair. Does that surprise you?
Absolutely not. Remember, this is a long trial, and most people don't want to sit in a long trial. And there's going to be such a controversial topic in this, trial that I don't believe there's going to be a lot of people that is going to go against what they believe.
You mentioned it's going to be a long trial, but can it also be a fair trial? Because 87% of the people voted for Biden here. So is that even realistic?
I believe that the jury wants to do the right thing. Remember, a juror wants to do the right thing. It just depends on how the parties present the case. And credibility is going to be a huge issue in this case.
42 questions on the jury questionnaire. I mean, they're very interesting. For example, has a potential juror attended a Trump rally, anti-Trump rally? Where do they get their news from? What do you make of these questions?
So that gives you an idea of how they actually like the defendant or don't like the defendant, where they sit right now in the case, right? If I was to look at the questionnaire, I would make sure that I don't have steal-pitch jurors or ghost jury. That means that they have an agenda or they have a purpose to be there.
I know you mentioned.
It's up to I'm sorry.
No, I said you mentioned that they want to do the right thing, but let's have you maybe break down what kind of juror the defense is looking for.
The defense, if I was in the defense, what I would be looking at is for empathy, right? Someone that maybe has been accused of something and they were not guilty, whether at work or stealing or a criminal act, anything, right? The other thing I would look for is that the jury empathize with the defendant. So I would tone down the defendant so he becomes sympathetic. Like he's been accused of something, that the government has misused their power, that the government is, stretching the truth.
Well, very interesting. Thanks so much for breaking that all down for us, Leticia. We'll bring you back as this continues. Thank you.
Thank you.